Hello, my name is Suman Wu. Welcome to my presentation of Spring 2. My topic is about cultural quest in the ROM. The museum is the cultural card of the city, carrying the memory of history and tradition. Through the exhibits and interactive experiences, it connects the past with the present, allowing every visitor to feel the city's unique cultural charm. However, many visitors find it difficult to fully interact with the exhibits and deeply experience the city's cultural heritage. This presents an opportunity to enhance the visitor experiences by improving the flow and interactive feature. Through observation, I found that the visitors faced certain challenges in mobility and interactive experiences with the museum, which affects their deeper understanding and engagement with the exhibits. And this is the map I created during my visit to the Asian Gallery on the first floor of the museum. Through my observation and interviews, I found that the main issue lies in the complex layout of the museum, unclear exhibits descriptions, and dim lighting, and an overabundance of the exhibits, which make it difficult for visitors to navigate smoothly and fully understand the exhibition content. The challenges lie in balancing traditional exhibits method with interactivity, as well as managing complex layout and space flow. It's essential to preserve cultural heritage while introducing modern elements. An example from the ROM showrooms. It shows how effective lighting, layout, and color conditioning can create a comfortable atmosphere. Therefore, the main opportunity to solve this issue lies in simplifying the layout of the exhibition halls, optimizing exhibit descriptions, improve lighting and display arrangement, and enhancing visitor engagement and understanding by introducing interactive features, such as like a digital guide to improve the overall visitor experience. How might we enhance the visitor experiences in the Asian showroom of the Rome Museum by improving circulation and interactive exhibition feature? So these are the 8 methods I used for this sprint. The big 3, what I'm finding, the first one is the lack of the interactivity and exhibition informations. The visitors, especially families, seek more interactive exhibits and engaging explanations to enhance their learning, as traditional displays no longer meet the modern needs. And the second one is a space layout and visitor experiences. The complex layout and the poorly arranged exhibits disrupt the visit, and simplifying the layout and improving exhibit organization can enhance the overall experiences and the culture immersions. And the third one is the cultural heritage and presentation and display. Visitors expect innovative display that makes cultural heritage vivid and accessible while preserving historical and cultural significance. So my possible solution first is about regional divisions. The regular zoning of the area to make the space more organized, with different colors representing different exhibition zones. The green area is the permanent expression zone, featuring famous murals and the Buddha statue. And the yellow area is for temporary exhibitions, displaying artifacts like a ceramic and a bronze wheel, lacquer wheel, and jade, with rotating themes every few months to attract repeat visitors. The red area will host interactive exhibits or the tomb prevention placed at the entrance, and the blue area will showcase the artifacts from the other Asian country. The space between the yellow and the blue zones, originally a doorway, could be like separate with the window and the seatings, creating a clear distinction between the Chinese and the other Asian exhibitions and improving visitor flow. My possible solution too is about changing the circulation flow. These are the two layouts design I created for the exhibition flow. On the left, a rectangular design used partitions around the rooms to divide the space into sections, making it easier for visitors to navigate. And on the right side, a more open curved design separates the exhibition areas with curved partitions, with the central sections turning into a rest area. And the left design merges two exhibition sections, while the right creates two distinct flows based on the planning zoning. My possible solution 3 is about interesting interaction. These are some conceptual design I created for the entrance of the exhibition area. I believe the entrance is very important because a unique entrance can easily attract the visitors' attention. Since this exhibition focuses on Asian artifacts, many visitors may not be familiar with Asian culture. So therefore, I think adding an interactive timeline at the entrance would be helpful, as it can lay a foundation for visitors before they explore the exhibits. And also many of the artifacts in these exhibitions come from Shanxi, China, which is a north city from China. So the architectural style is also inspired by the traditional building of Shanxi. The rental service for audio guides in different language and souvenir vending machine could be added at the entrance. The souvenir could be a set of booklets for stamping. This stamping machine could be hidden in various spots throughout the exhibition, requiring visitors to discover them. And the stamping could be feature famous artifacts from the museum, such as the mural stamp, which many visitors would be want to collect it. And this small interactive feature can add some fun to the experiences. Or is part of the ROM Museum's collection. Although the museum provides a digital guide, the content is limited. Well, this is my conceptual design for the mural explanation, where the graphic and text-based explanation is placed below the mural, allowing visitors to click freely and view the related content. Images show conceptual design for the preceding exhibition, inspired by the curved gallery layout, and the preceding items are placed in the separate compartments, which with interactive screen in the center, and visitors can click on the texture and apply them to the preceding models to see how they look like. And this design aims to engaging visitors and help them better understand and appreciate the craftsmanship. My next step is to take these conceptual designs and create 3D visualization to provide a more intuitive understanding of the space and interactivity. This will help bring the design concept to life, allowing a clearer sense of how the space flows and how visitors will interact with the exhibits. During this process, I plan to add more details to refine the design further. If possible, I would also like to consider creating an interactive installation to enhance the user experiences, allowing visitors to engage with the exhibits in hands-on and immersive way. I am designing an interactive museum project that will cater to visitors of all age groups, including seniors, young adults, and children, by providing both digital and physical experiences. The digital elements will guide visitors with quick access to exhibits information through interactive promos, while the physical design will ensure smooth navigation and inclusivity. This project will enhance the museum experiences by offering clear signage, image text combination, and simple description, helping visitors easily explore and understand the exhibits while interacting with the space. Thank you. This is all my presentation.